Well, I want to make sure everybody understood where this come from. This is from Roseanne Barr. She says, I found this and it's great. And she's absolutely correct. Hang in there, people. This is a banned video, you know that? You don't get those kind of people going to visit Biden. We'll do without the music. Now, I won't go very long on this, people. I'll leave a link for you can go watch this. This is fantastic. Now, Trump is a good man. You see these people coming out for him? Because he's security. He is security for the United States of America. He's not a traitor or a turncoat like those 18 senators that voted to screw you over good. Now, too many more. Oh, look at those people. Man. I'm going to stop this for a second, people, and move on. Now tell me this, people. Everybody was behind Trump except for the deep state, the swamp people. This man got a con job done on him. They're still after him because they don't want him back in. They're afraid of him. They're not afraid of DeSantis or anybody like that because they're already bought and paid for. This guy here is for America. Every human being has flaws. I have them, you have them, so does this man. But nobody has as many flawed characters is somebody that stands behind a thing that's called the Democratic Party. It's up to you, people. Get behind this man while you still have a chance to bring back security and peace and freedom and liberty in the United States of America. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link. Oh, by the way, thanks, Roseanne.